Hello guys, good morning from here. I want to quickly back test and show you guys the reason why we short saver on on Friday. Okay, so it's good you if you win and you lose, you also backtest know the reason why you lost and the reason why you win. All right, it's very very important. So next time you see the same pattern, in the market is gonna be your pay day. All right, so from the weekly time frame, I start from weekly and I can see the market is bullish all the way. All right, so from here you can see the market rally all the way up. So I come to the daily time frame to see the structure of the market and how the price is reacting. All right, I can see the market has made a head and shoulder, pattern. Okay, so this is left shoulder, head, and right. Okay, so I mark out also my trend line, and you see the I said the trend line has broken. Saber has broken my trend line, and the pullback retest twice, one, two, three. So the third touch is gonna be a massive pull down, towards the demand zone. So I mark out my demand zone, to you know I mark out my demand zone and my supply zone. So I'm gonna trade in between supply and demand zone. Okay, so this is my supply and this is my demand zone. Okay, so for the week, I'm gonna be trading in between supply and demand zone. Okay. So another thing I check on the daily time frame because daily time frame is where I do my analysis. So I start from here, higher high, higher low. This is what the structure is doing. Higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. Okay, so the price supposed to come here and make a higher low. All right, but it now make equal low here, meaning sellers are coming in. So you're supposed to do here, do a lower high and continue make a higher high here. So, but it came here and make an equal low, which is lower low, and come here and make a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So if you go to 4 hours, you're gonna see it has make a double top here, which is M pattern, and it's coming down by next week. So but for now we are back testing Friday. So why we sold on Friday? So now it was here. It was here on Friday. So that's what gave me, more confident to sell. So this is where we are. So we are stopping here. All right. So bringing out the structure out so you can see clearly what the market is doing. So in the real market, the market is, messy. All right. So I'm gonna quickly arrange it. Okay. So you can see clearly. All right. So this is our higher high. This higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Let me here make a lower low. All right. So this is lower low give us an equal low because showing that the sellers are coming in. All right, so here we make now a lower high, lower high. Try to see if I can use mouse. You know, I didn't know I have mouse here anyway. So it's gonna be lower low here. Okay, lower high, lower low. Okay, lower high. So this thing here, so this is double top. So that is why it's lower high. Okay. All right. So this is what the market is literally doing at the moment. So this double top here. So when you come to the 4 hours, you're gonna see clearly what I'm talking about. So this is on Friday. So you're gonna see the double top here. Okay, and this is the double top. All right, and this is our neckline. So price is rejecting here. Okay, and this is so this sell here is what we shot, you know, on Friday. So this thing you're seeing here is around, I think, 89, around 89 pips. Okay, so as we saw the consolidation happening on Friday here, so I know it's already pulled back, or it's already retest, pull back one, two. The third of the touch is always the massive one. Okay, so that's the one we took shots. Okay, and this is where they take from. We take our profit here, we put our stop loss here. So this is around 87, pips, 4:1 ratio. All right. So this is what gave us confirmation to sell, on Friday. So I hope this video helped you a lot. And so and coming on this week. So what I'm expecting for the price to, pull back to the neckline, consolidate a little bit, and sell, and come back here, touch again to the neckline, and go to the way to the supply zone. So this one is the real guy here. We're gonna sell here. This is the one you're gonna make more money from here. So you need require patience for you to, see the market play out. We just follow the markets. We don't, gamble. We just allow the market to, react. Then we follow. All right. So another thing on the daily time frame, if the markets come fail to go down, anything can happen. I'm expecting, for the buyers, I'm expecting for the market to, go up, retest candle close, and we look for opportunity to buy. But this chance is limited. All right. So this is another thing that can happen in the markets. Anything can happen. We are not 100% sure in as a trader, is a probability, you know probability industry. What you have to keep on, watch what the market is doing, and you follow. But like 80%, I know the market's gonna sell, because I know this pattern here. All right, so this pattern, like I said, you're gonna cram it. I already crammed this thing here, put on my head. Even if I wake up from sleep, I already know. But it's very clean here. But in the market is not that clean. But you keep on back testing, you're gonna know, understand what the market is doing. So I usually do my entry from 1 hour or 15 minutes. Okay, so from the 15 minutes, you can see our our sell properly, so why we took sell from here, from 1 hour, so we'll make our money, on Friday. So coming this week is what I'm expecting for market to pull back, retest on the neckline all the way to demand zone. So market, that market doesn't go, even if you projecting the market, the price gonna come on demand zone. It doesn't come all the way down. Price always do correctional impulsive all the way down. All right, guys, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. As long as we anticipating the price, saver to keep selling as long as it has not, broken above, the ascending trend line. So, and we keep on, selling at this moment, except otherwise the buyers you broke up, the supply zone, and retest and the candle close, and we look for opportunity to buy. All right, guys, we'll follow what the market gives to us. So I'm gonna make a quick video on gold. Gold is looking more sweeter, and there's another confluence which I can add here because I don't want the video to be lengthy. All right, guys, take care, and watch out for gold, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, guys, bye.